Are you preparing for the TOPIK? Are you having trouble studying on your own? Then check out the Taragwon TOPIK Prep books, which are here to help you with your Korean exam. Hello, I'm Cameron Word. I've lived in South Korea for 10 years now, where I work in the TV, radio, and online language education industries. If you're studying Korean and have plans to attend school or find a job in Korea, you've probably experienced preparing for and taking the test of proficiency in Korean, or TOPIK. Just like with other exams, preparing for the TOPIK isn't easy. That's why I'd like to introduce to you Taragwon's TOPIK Prep books, a strong personal support group that will help you prepare for the TOPIK exam. TOPIK explanations and problem-solving strategies by question type. Complete Guide to the TOPIK 3rd Edition series. Meet the Complete Guide to the TOPIK 3rd Edition, a series of strategic books that provide an overall explanation of the TOPIK exam and teach you methods of solving problems by question type. This series of books, which has been widely known to many as a strategy guide since the TOPIK exam was first administered, has already been published in its revised 3rd edition following the revision of the exam. Just like the previous Complete Guide to the TOPIK series, it provides detailed analyses of questions that previously appeared on the exam, analyses of and strategies for problems by question type, as well as practice questions. It also includes 2 practical mock exams, making it a reliable guide for learners preparing for the TOPIK exam. The Complete Guide to the TOPIK 3rd Edition series provides English translations of all the questions and detailed explanations, so that learners preparing for the TOPIK can comfortably understand the content and get a more complete practical sense of the exam. In particular, the books include writing instructions that can help learners get a high score on the writing portion, which only appears on the intermediate and advanced level TOPIK 2 exam. They also provide explanations of everything from spelling to expressions that are often used incorrectly, as well as sample answers with English explanations. In addition, the revised 3rd edition also provides all new video lectures, 5 at the beginner level and 6 at the intermediate and advanced level. The author directly instructs learners in their core strategy, guiding you through analyses and strategies by question type, so that you can prepare thoroughly for the exam. The author's core strategy special video lectures can be easily used anywhere, anytime on your mobile device via QR code. Beginner to Advanced Test Prep, with analyses of question types and sample answers by level. Complete Guide to the TOPIK Speaking. Complete Guide to the TOPIK Speaking is a test prep book for the speaking section of the TOPIK exam, which is first implemented in 2022. As the Complete Guide to the TOPIK series speaking exam prep book, it offers detailed analyses of 6 question types that appear on the exam and presents practice questions by subject, related vocabulary, and sample answers by level, all in the series signature style, so it can be used for all learners from the beginner to the advanced level. Sample answers are marked with pauses, so you can practice natural sounding Korean speech, and you can read while listening along to audio files provided via QR codes to practice speaking fluently like a native speaker.
지난 주말에 친구 생일이었어요. 백화점에 갔어요. 거기에서 선물하고 케이크를 샀어요.
Complete Guide to the TOPIK Speaking also provides 3 mock exams, and all explanations are included in English as well, so even learners who aren't yet familiar with Korean can correctly understand the TOPIK question type and how to prepare for it, allowing for a more complete, practical sense of the exam. In particular, the book presents answer writing methods by level so that learners can write and say answers that match the practice questions by subject. Answers are provided at the beginner and intermediate advanced level for each question type and subject, so you can check which level is right for you and then practice, allowing for learners at all levels to prepare for the exam with this single book. And with vocabulary and expressions provided to suit the subjects in each question type, you can immediately practice your weak points and boost your practical language abilities. Detailed explanations that are just like taking actual lessons with 10 mock exams. TOPIK Master Final Actual Tests 3rd Edition Series. The revised 3rd edition of the TOPIK Master Series, which has been a long-time favorite for including 10 practical mock exams, has also been published. TOPIK Master Final Actual Tests 3rd Edition, which was published to reflect recent improved instructions and question types, is the ultimate TOPIK mock test book, with ample practical mock exams that allow learners to fully practice and prepare ahead of the actual exam. Based on analysis of recent TOPIK trends, the book's question-solving strategies and detailed explanations by level offer test takers an experience just like taking actual lessons, allowing you to check your skills on your own and improve your weak points. Additionally, English translations are provided for all the questions, question-solving strategies, and explanations from the mock exams, so that learners can more easily understand the content. A partner for a high TOPIK score. Achieve the results you're aiming for on the TOPIK with Taraguan's TOPIK Prep Books. I hope Taraguan's TOPIK Prep Books can be a springboard that helps you all in your studies of Korean.